Dear students, today I am going to discuss chemistry comparison between the properties of the two oxides of carbon. And those two oxides are carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. So, first property is color, odor, taste. So, in carbon dioxide, it is colorless, odorless, and slightly acidic taste. Whereas carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Second is density. Carbon dioxide density is 22 and air it is 14.4, and it is 1.5 times as air. That means it is denser 1.5 times in comparison to air. And carbon monoxide density is 14, almost as heavy as air. Third is solubility in air. Carbon dioxide is sparingly soluble at ordinary pressure. Sparingly soluble means very less, very less. And carbon monoxide is insoluble, not soluble at all. Fourth property is combustibility. Carbon dioxide is neither burning nor supporting combustion, whereas carbon monoxide burns with a blue flame but does not support combustion. Fifth property is action on litmus. Carbon dioxide turns a dark red, being weakly acidic, whereas carbon monoxide is neutral, no effect on litmus. Sixth property is absorption by caustic alkali. Carbon dioxide is absorbed in solution of caustic alkali and form alkali carbonate, whereas carbon monoxide no effect. Seventh is action on lime water. Carbon dioxide turns it milky, whereas carbon monoxide has no effect. Eighth property is action on oxides of metals. Carbon dioxide shows none, that means no action, none of the action is seen by carbon dioxide, whereas carbon monoxide reduces them to respective metals. That means it is acting as a reducing agent. And ninth is physiological property. So carbon dioxide is non-poisonous, whereas carbon monoxide is poisonous. So these are the 9 properties on which we compare carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide's characteristics. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.